Hello there pretty faces, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Gillian and on this channel I do everything beauty, lifestyle and travel. So I finally sorted out my makeup ever since coming back, and then on my Instagram I actually did ask if you guys wanted to see me do a mini how-to tutorial with the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. And I did ask, and this was it. This was the results. So I was like, why not play around with this palette, because I got it last year and I didn't really play around with it because kabooms, those are the colors, super bright. So she really implemented the party animal vibe. From the get-go, I feel like I should do some swatches for you guys. So there are six colors in the palette. If it looks like this one is shimmer, and then this looks like a matte. Ek weet nie wat daai is nie, weet jy? Like, I don't know. But anywho, let me swatch it for you guys and then we'll see. So the first color I'm gonna swatch is this one. Oh, that is super pigmented. Like, whoa. Okay, sis, that is very pigmented. And this is the color Dranks. Get your drank on. And then I'm gonna swatch is a Party, super pigmented too. Oh, okay, yes. She did the most. It is super pigmented. Sorry, guys. And then some Damage Control. We're gonna go in with Damage Control. Wow, okay. And then Bottoms Up. And now I'm going in with Karaoke. I'm going in with Hangover. Oh, my fingers are dirty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go in with Hangover. This is Hangover. Zoom. There we go. Hangover. Just like it. These colors are super pigmented. So I swatched them for you guys. And then from the get-go, it is super pigmented. This one looks like it's gonna, the color Hangover looks like it's gonna have some fallout. Guys, it's just worth a try. But you know what, Miss Laura Lee? We shall try this palette, right? Try it and see how it takes on. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna get right into this. First things first, I'm gonna prime my eyes. Oh guys, my hands are dirty. 2 seconds. I feel like it stains your fingers. Okay, it stained my fingers. Okay, whatever. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my eyes, and to prime my eyes I'll be using my AOA Wonder Concealer. Wonder Cover Concealer for my eyes, and this kind of, I feel like it's going to give me the necessary concealing that I need, because I want these colors to pop. Like, they need to pop. We need to see if it really works, so they need to pop like a party animal. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in a bit. Oh, we're getting up close and personal. A mosquito bit me on my ankle, so it is so sore, and I'm sitting on the floor. So like where I'm sitting is literally where the mozzie bit me, and it was so sore, like so freaking sore. But anywho, it's not your problem, so it's mine. eyes are concealed, I am going to put some tape here for just to give it a more defined look and to give that cat eye kind of look. I don't have tape, so I'll be using masking tape. That should work the same, right? Masking tape works the same. Let me see. I don't know. Looking like Nelly. So the color that I'm first gonna start off is a party. Is a party. I'm gonna start with this color. It's yellow, so I'm gonna keep it mellow and yellow and see how this transfers onto my skin. And I'm just gonna pack it first above my crease. Okay, for now, I'm just packing it. I actually want it a bit darker, so I'm gonna go with it again. You see, I'm not even going back and forth. I'm literally just packing it because I feel like the more I pack it, the more bold and strong the color is. There is fallout, look. So there is fallout. So I'm very happy that I don't put on my foundation because there is fallout. And then you'll see I'm just working it around the crease still, not blending, not putting it on, just packing it on. Because I really want to see how bright this color is. And I have done this step 3 times. So I dipped 3 times, and this is the color I currently sit with after dipping for 3 times, or after going in the yellow 3 times. So guys, the yellow is a bit disappointing, but as you can see, it's on my arm, it kind of faded, but it is a bit disappointing. So I'm not going to try and sugarcoat that. I really want to go in with Dranks. This one here, and then I'm just gonna pack it below the yellow. So okay, the orange is much more pigmented than the yellow, and the orange I'm kind of working below the yellow, but like towards the lid, and then I'm just carrying on with the orange on the lid. Guys, I'm just going literally with the flow. I don't even know what to expect or what I want out of this color. So now that I'm carrying on, I still feel like I'm gonna pack the yellow again. The yellow fades away, so just a thumbs up on that. The yellow does fade away, the orange fades away. Oh, this is currently how it looks. Guys, it looks like I have Gilsa. Anyway, so we're gonna work with what we got. And then I'm gonna put on some concealer and do a cut crease and then see what happens. Going in, now I'm going in with my Pro Conceal LA Girl, and this is in the color Almond. I'm hating this palette actually. So I'm just going in once again with concealer. So this is so concealed, and then I'm just gonna pack because. And now I feel like going pink, but this is a shimmer. So what we're gonna do is maybe I'm gonna go in with this Hangover. It looks dark purplish. So we're gonna go in with Hangover. Please don't let me down, Hangover. Like, there's a part of me that wants this to work out, and there's a part of me that couldn't care less. and it leaves some patches. Like, guys, this is like the most, it's actually leaving some patches. Like, this is the most, I'm so disappointed in this palette. But anyway, I mustn't be a drama queen. And then I'm gonna go in with this. I think this is karaoke, and I'm gonna put it in. So from the middle to my inner corner. But okay, I'm first gonna start in my inner corner though. So let's start with my inner corner. So what I'm doing is, yes, I'm putting it on, but I'm also trying to control the patchiness because there's a lot of patchiness. And then once again, I'm going in with the purple. I feel like the concealer really actually helps, like really helps to bring out this look, to tell the truth. Okay, I know what I'm now I'm going back in with the yellow. So we're gonna go again, yellow. Okay, so this thing is so patchy. I'm not gonna kid you, it is patchy. Try and zoom you even closer. So patchy. I had to put on so many layers, and I feel like this, it's pigmented on my arm, but it doesn't catch on my eyes that well as I was expecting. So what I'm gonna do, what I did is, so I let this side dry, my concealer dry, and then I'm actually gonna go in with 2 different colors. So I'm gonna do like all 6, just not, I'm not even gonna do different looks. So I'm trying out all 6 colors. I mean, it doesn't even look like I have any color on here, and I did put on the yellow and the orange, and it doesn't look like jack. And another thing, you can see the amount of fallout. Like, it looks like I have raccoon eyes, but she tried. She tried. We can give that to her. She tried. So for my other eye, I'm going in with damage control all over my lid, actually. So I let the concealer dry, and the colors don't. Guys, I feel like all that's coming out of my mouth is me complaining, but do you see how cute this color is on camera or in the palette? And do you see how it transfers onto my skin? It's like 2 different colors. Like, this color would have been popping, but it's literally 2 different colors. It's super patchy, like Laura Lee. So I feel like if you do use this Laura Lee Party Animal palette, the best way to apply it is just to pat it on. To be honest, just pat the color on. And then I'm gonna use my Ready Set Radiant setting spray from Tarte just to wet my brush. And then I'm going in with bottoms up. And I kind of want to, I don't know what I'm going to do. So let's see if we can do like inner corner to the middle. Okay. Like this side better than this side. And then you guys know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go in with a yellow again. Literally again. Okay, so my eyeliner is done. Okay, and then I'm first going in with the Covergirl Peacock Mascara. I wanna see your peacock, your peacock. Have you heard that song? That's actually a song before y'all come in. The color is already fading. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I didn't even make this for Halloween. Oh, and then I'm going in with Great Lash from Maybelline in the color Kaboom's Blue. So I'm going in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner, and this is in the color Dark Blue. So we're doing colors. And right now I'm going to clean myself, put myself together, and I'll see you on the WhatsApp. So this is the final look I put together. I just put on foundation, did some highlighting, did some glow, just to put this look together. And this is my review on the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. So to be honest, and I'm going to be honest from the get-go, I would use this palette for a kid's party, and it has so much fallout. I kid you not, there's so much fallout, it's not funny. So much fallout. I can't say that enough. The fallout is so much. Like, I literally had to use makeup remover to remove it. Usually you can just dust away the fallout, but it's because it's pigmented. So the fallout is pigmented and it stains, so I had to use makeup remover to remove the fallout that was all under my eye. These colors look very bright in the palette, but don't get fooled, they are not that bright when you put them on your skin. I feel like you have to go in at least 10 times to get the color that you want. And there is patchiness. I don't know where the patchiness comes from, but overall, if you're going to go for a bold look, I would use concealer with it and put it underneath to get that more vibrant, bold look. And then the yellow and the orange, it's a bit disappointing because it's not as bright as it appears in the palette. But overall, it was worth trying, and I did create a look with it. And if you do like this review, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to comment, and let me know if you have tried this palette and what you thought about it. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.